If you're looking for the best camping table, but there are literally hundreds of options out there, and half of them wobble like they're about to give up on life. In this video, we're breaking down 20 of the best camping tables based on weight, durability, surface area, portability, and price. Let's jump right in. Bi-liable portable aluminum camping table kicks off our list, and honestly, it earned the top spot for good reason. The tabletop is aluminum with a steel frame, giving you a solid 110 pounds of weight capacity, while the whole thing only weighs 9.2 pounds. What really sets it apart is the stepless height adjustment. You can dial each leg independently from 17.7 to 26.6 inches. That means if you're camped on rocky or sloped ground, you can actually level this thing out without jamming rocks under the legs. Next up is the Grope portable camping table, and this one's all about going light. It weighs just 2.1 pounds and folds down small enough to toss in a day pack. The aluminum alloy build holds up to 66 pounds, which is plenty for drinks, a small stove, or your camp snacks. Setup is completely tool-free, and the anti-slip rubber feet keep things steady on dirt or rock. It comes with a carry bag, and a whole package barely takes up any space. A top-rated budget pick for backpackers and festival goers who need a minimal footprint. Coming in at number 3, the Make Changes folding table is built for people who hate wasting time on setup. It folds into a suitcase shape with a built-in carry handle, so you just grab and go. The HDPE surface holds 150 pounds and resists stains, which is great when ketchup inevitably happens. You get 2 height levels, 10 inches and 19 inches, so it works as a low table or a standard one. The gravity locks on the legs snap into place fast. Designed for quick setup, it's incredibly easy to store in tight trunk spaces, great for tailgating or car camping families. Number 4. Vevor Camping Kitchen Station. Now we're stepping things up with the Vevor Camping Kitchen Station. This isn't just a table, it's a full outdoor kitchen setup with a removable windscreen, 3 storage organizers, and side tables that give you a total span of 57.5 inches. The center table holds 66 pounds, and the side tables handle 22 pounds each. If you're someone who takes camp cooking seriously, this one's a game changer. You've got dedicated space for your stove, your utensils, and your prep work all in one station. A true base camp essential for serious outdoor cooks. Shifting gears to something much smaller, the Villi portable camping side table weighs only 1.8 pounds, making it one of the lightest options on this entire list. It's made from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy and holds up to 50 pounds, which is impressive for its size. The unique hinged design lets you set it up in about 30 seconds flat. The scratch-resistant finish keeps it looking clean even after a rough season. Ideal for keeping your gear, phone, or coffee off the ground while solo camping. Simple, light, and effective. Number 6. FDW Foldable Table. If you need pure brute strength, look no further than the FDW Foldable Table. This 4-foot beast is built with polyethylene and powder-coated steel and holds a staggering 330 pounds. At 17 pounds, it's heavier than most here, but that weight buys you serious stability. The center fold design makes it manageable for transport, and the impact-resistant corners and non-marring foot caps add nice touches. It doubles beautifully as a backyard utility table, too, built for maximum durability and heavy loads. No compromises. Number 7 is the Let's Camp Folding Camping Table, and it brings something you don't see often, a square tabletop on a roll-up table. At 27.5 by 27.5 inches, it gives you a proper dining surface that works great for 2 people. The corrosion-resistant aluminum frame holds 100 pounds. The shock cord frame construction means the pieces stay connected, so assembly is quick and you won't lose parts. It weighs 8.5 pounds and packs down with a compact roll-top design, perfect for couples or duo camping trips who want a real sit-down meal spot. Moving on, the Wuromi's folding camping table hits a sweet spot between surface area and portability. You get a 35.4 by 23.6 inch MDF tabletop that folds into a suitcase shape at just 8 pounds. It supports 66 pounds and gives you two height settings, 10 inches and 27.5 inches. The security latch keeps everything locked tight during transport, and the U-shaped side supports add extra rigidity when it's set up. It's an Amazon favorite for casual picnickers looking for a balance of space and low weight, a solid everyday pick. At number 9, the Mountain Summit Gear Heavy Duty Roll Top. It's the roll top table that other roll tops want to be. The extra-large 47 by 28 inch surface gives you real workspace, and the sturdy X-frame design delivers stability you can actually trust. It supports 70 pounds. At 15 pounds, it's not the lightest, but that's the trade-off for a table that won't wobble when you're cutting vegetables or playing cards. Often cited by enthusiasts for its rock-solid stability compared to cheaper roll-top models. Worth every ounce. Number 10. Antby Folding Camping Table. The Antby Large Folding Camping Table stands out with one of the highest weight capacities in the aluminum roll-top category, a whopping 176 pounds. The 47.2 by 27.6 inch surface is big enough for a full family dinner, and the height adjusts infinitely from 17.7 to 26.8 inches. The secret is the triangular structure legs, which distribute weight more evenly than standard designs. It's a seriously capable table for the price point. One of the best values if you need a large, adjustable, high-capacity camping table without breaking the bank. Number 11. Sportneer Camping Table. Here's one for the organized campers. The Sportneer camping table comes with a removable mesh storage layer underneath the tabletop. That means you can stash headlamps, utensils, and napkins right below the surface, keeping your table clear. It supports 70 pounds and adjusts from 10 to 19 inches. The aluminum build with 600D Oxford cloth mesh is durable and easy to clean. S-hooks are included so you can hang extra gear. Excellent for organization-obsessed campers who want everything in its place. A clever, practical design. Coming in at number 12, the Monsitter QE camping table keeps things compact and stylish. At just 2.2 pounds and 15.6 by 13.6 inches, it fits into a small stuff sack and takes up almost no room. The aluminum alloy slat top holds 55 pounds and resists corrosion. It's easy to clean and looks sharp compared to the saggy fabric top tables you see at most campsites. A durable upgrade over traditional ultralight tables. Great for anyone who wants a small, reliable surface without the floppy feel. You knew this one was coming. The Coleman Outdoor Folding Table is practically a camping legend. The classic roll-up aluminum design holds 100 pounds, measures 27.6 by 27.6 inches, and comes with a carry bag and a 1-year limited warranty. It weighs 8.9 pounds. There's nothing flashy here, just a proven, reliable table that's been showing up at campsites for years. Setup is straightforward and the build quality stands the test of time. If you want a no-nonsense, trust-the-brand camping table, Coleman delivers. A true classic. Number 14. Nature Hike Tactical Camping Table. For the overlanding and tactical crowd, the Nature Hike Tactical Camping Table is a standout. It features iron-grilled table compatibility, meaning you can swap in modular stove units, grills, and accessories right into the tabletop. It holds 88 pounds and adjusts from 15.7 to 23.6 inches. The aluminum alloy build keeps it light, and the tactical aesthetic looks sharp at any campsite. The modular design means this table grows with your setup over time. Designed for overlanding enthusiasts who want a system, not just a surface. Seriously cool. Number 15. AndBet Folding Camping Table. The AndBet Folding Camping Table is the slightly smaller sibling of the large version we covered earlier. You still get 110 pounds of capacity and smooth, infinite height adjustment from 17.7 to 27.5 inches, but in a more manageable 35.4 by 20.5 inch package. The easy lock leg mechanisms make setup a breeze, and the aluminum build keeps weight reasonable. Perfect for a family of 4 who doesn't need a massive table but still wants quality and adjustability. A great middle ground choice. Number 16 is the Campfield Camping Folding Table, and this one has a trick up its sleeve, a fireproof tabletop. That makes it one of the safest options if you're using a portable butane or propane stove directly on the surface. It holds 132 pounds across a generous 47 by 24 inch area. The aluminum frame keeps it relatively light, and you get 2 height settings, 22 and 28 inches, plus a carrying handle for easy transport. If camp stove safety is a priority for you, this is the one to grab. A smart, practical choice. Number 17. Latouk Grill Table. If grilling is your thing, you need to see the Latouk Grill Table. This is a specialized station built specifically for griddle users. Think Blackstone owners. The heavy-duty steel frame holds 100 pounds and comes with side hooks for barbecue tools, a paper towel holder, and a lower storage shelf. The dimensions, 33 by 16 by 31 inches, put your griddle right at a comfortable cooking height. It's purpose-built and does its job extremely well. A must-have for anyone who takes their outdoor grilling setup seriously. Nothing else quite like it. Number 18. iClimb Compact Camping Table. At just 1.5 pounds, the iClimb Compact Camping Table is the lightest option on our list. It folds into a tiny, flat package and sits low to the ground at only 5 inches tall. Despite its size, it handles 66 pounds, which is more than enough for drinks and small items. The aluminum build is simple and effective. No frills, just function. Best for sand chair height relaxation or beach trips where you want a little surface next to your chair. If ultralight and ultra-compact are your priorities, this is the one. Number 19. Vingley Folding Camping Table. Get ready for this. The Vingley Folding Camping Table has a static weight capacity of 500 pounds. That's not a typo. The HDPE tabletop uses a honeycomb structure reinforced with a steel frame, giving you practically indestructible strength across a full 48 by 24 inch surface. It's a 4-foot table built to handle anything: heavy coolers, cast iron cookware, you name it. The safety lock keeps it secure when folded and open, the highest weight capacity on our list, and it's perfect for people who don't want to worry about overloading their table. Ever. Closing out our list is the GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Kitchen, and it's honestly the gold standard for organized camp kitchens. You get 4 fold-out side tables, beverage holders, stem glass holders, and utensil hooks, all in one station that opens to 52 inches wide. The top holds 48 pounds, and each side fold supports 30 pounds. The powder-coated steel and aluminum build is weather-resistant and durable. Focusing on multi-level utility, this is the ultimate setup for campers who want every tool within arm's reach. A camp kitchen dream. All right, that wraps up our top 20 best camping tables for every type of camper out there. If we had to pick just 2 standouts, the Bi-Liable is our top all-rounder, and the GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Kitchen is unbeatable for camp cooking setups. Links for every product are in the description below. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a review.